everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to add an extra shutter button. So sometimes you might be trying to take an awkward photo, something that's super far out, the way that you're holding it, maybe the case that you're using, or maybe you're using someone else's phone, and it just does not match up with your hand or your finger length. All you'd have to do is do a simple drag and drop. So don't think of it as like a press and hold, even though you are holding it to move it. If you do a press and hold, you might be going into the recording mode, as you saw that basically popped up there for a quick second. You want to do a simple drag and drop. So pretend that you already held it, and all you got to do is just drag it up. And so now this shutter button will act pretty much the exact same as this one over here. So if I take a picture, it's going to take the picture. Let's say that the way that I'm holding it, I need it to be right over there. Maybe the phone is actually backwards. You know, it's this way instead of that way. So I'm still able to take an image this way. One of the things that will not work though is down over here when you do a press and hold, it'll start recording a video. This is a part of Samsung One UI 2.1. It makes it really convenient that you don't have to switch it to a video mode just to shoot a video. But when you try to do the same thing up here, it does not allow it. So it really only pops up this little negative get rid of button. So I can't really swipe down, like I can't really bring it down to do the GIF or the burst shot like you're able to do here. So think of this one as only a shutter button. This one down here is that multi-function shutter button where you can do GIFs and videos, take pictures. This one you're not able to press and hold. You can't swipe down. You are able to press and hold, and then if you want to, you can tap on that little minus button and it brings it right on back. So there's a couple ways of getting rid of this little extra shutter button. The first way is by pressing and holding, tapping on that little minus button. The other way you can do it is just by simply bringing it right back on down. Now, one of the things that you might be thinking is, what if I'm done with taking a photo, I get out of it, let's say that we go through, we close out of the application, the extra shutter button will still be there. It could be one of those things that is accessibility-wise really easy for you to use and better for you to have an additional button. So it's always going to stay there until you hit that negative button or put it right back into its place. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit on subscribe. Subscribe right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. And if you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll.